Cristiano, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te sientes?
How are you today?
Cristiano, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te sientes?
The paparazzi out in force outside a courthouse in Madrid just a couple of hours ago. Soccer superstar Cristiano Ronaldo surrounded as he arrived in court to plead guilty to tax evasion during the time he played for Real Madrid. He's now with Juventus, of course, but he was accused then of defrauding the Spanish government of millions of euros. Kayla Hounsell is in our London bureau this morning. Kayla's going to be with us many mornings, so good to see you today, Kayla, for the first time. And why don't we begin with this story? What was he sentenced to after that guilty plea?
Good morning, Heather. Ronaldo was sentenced to 23 months, but he will not have to go to prison because under Spanish law, there is a 2-year threshold under which a first-time offense can be served on probation, and this is his first offense. He will have to pay a fine of 18.8 million euros, which is about 28.5 million Canadian dollars. Now, as we see, Ronaldo arrived in court in Madrid this morning with his fiancée at his side. He was met with a huge media presence, but he didn't say anything to reporters as he walked past. He had previously made a request for special security measures to avoid the spotlight, but that request was denied. As for the court appearance itself, it was brief, only about 15 minutes. So this was basically a formality, so Ronaldo could confirm on the record that he accepted the deal that had been struck with authorities last year. And then he left the courtroom smiling and even pausing to sign autographs before he left, Heather.
So what actually led up to that moment and led up to the guilty plea? Remind us of some of the details here, Kayla.
Well, the charges go back to 2017 when Cristiano Ronaldo was accused of avoiding paying taxes in Spain between 2010 and 2014 when, as you say, he was playing for Real Madrid. Ronaldo, who is now 33, is often titled one of the world's best soccer players. He now plays for the Juventus club in Italy, and Forbes lists him as the 3rd wealthiest athlete in the world. So the case itself centers around image rights deals. He was accused of knowingly funneling the proceeds through low-tax companies in foreign countries to avoid paying the tax in Spain. He originally denied the accusations, but in court today, as part of his deal, Ronaldo acknowledged there were 4 incidents linked to this behavior. And we should also mention he is also facing another ongoing legal battle. He's accused of rape in Las Vegas in 2009, and that is a charge which he still denies, Heather.
Okay, Kayla, thanks very much. From London, watching what's going on in Madrid. Signa, of course, sports fan, big soccer fan. Ronaldo, just the latest. I mean, there's the big triumvirate when you think of tax fraud of late. Ronaldo, Xavi, and Messi, right?
Messi. I mean, these are huge contracts that these players are signing, not to mention the fact that their jerseys are for sale.
Yeah.
The kind of transfer fees, right? And the numbers don't lie, Heather. And eventually, if the accounting's not right, the authorities are going to come for you, and we're seeing that there.
We're seeing that.
But how about that hefty fine?
Well, it's kind of interesting. You know how
you don't feel too sorry for $28 million, but
no. But when you think of Ronaldo and Messi, how they've been back and forth, Messi was just about $9 million, I think. So Cristiano Ronaldo's is way more. Totally bested Messi in the tax fraud category.
Yes,
Great. Okay, we'll keep watch on that.